This week, we learned about countermapping. Countermapping is the use of cartography to challenge the conventional assumptions of mapping and/or the inherent biases and power effects created as a result of these assumptions. Oftentimes, countermapping is used to advocate for social justice or to attempt to upset power dynamics. One example of countermapping is Øyvind Fahlström's world map. Fahlström used both cartoon-like illustrations and dense text to provide commentary on the political, military, and economic expansion post-World War II. It focuses on the Third World, specifically economic exploitation, repression, and liberation movements. For example, Europe is represented by a Swedish manual for diplomats' wives, and the US is exposed for its relationship between economic expansion into the developing world and its support of military coups and right-wing regimes within these countries. Another example of countermapping is the series of sketches done by Mark Lombardi. He was a political writer and initially drew these to keep track of the intel he was given. He then saw the power behind the drawings and began publishing them by themselves. On the left is his sketch, The World Finance Corporation and Associates, which charts banking and insurance conspiracies, and on the right, The Pope and His Bankers is shown, which documents scandals surrounding the money managers of Pope John Paul II and includes possible murders and cover-ups. All of these examples use maps to challenge the way people traditionally view these individuals and entities, and challenge the political and social assumptions behind them. I hope this helps. Thanks.